Right guys, would you like to see a Tokyo apartment and what you get for £470 for 6 days, 5 nights, 6 days? Well, I'll show you because I'm just staying in that building there. So let's pop in and have a look. I haven't even checked in yet, so it'll be a first for you and a first for me. This is the place I'm going to be staying the most time on my trip here in Japan, because for most places I'm staying 1 day in a city. There's 2 cities I'm staying 2 days, but for the most part it's just 1 day. Where's the entrance? It's through here? Oh, yes. Please keep quiet. Okay. I'll not show you the numbers. Right, we're in. Is there a lift? Yes. Not too concerned about being noisy because it's only early. It's only 3 o'clock. Right, we're on the 7th floor. I'm 703, yep, just here. And it should be just unlocked. Right, let me drop my stuff and take my shoes off because you can't wear shoes in Japanese apartments. I'll take this back off. Let's have a little look. Let's just go to the first door here. Probably a toilet. Yes. Hello, toilet. Nice. Japanese toilet which will clean your butt and even sing you a song. How good is that? We've got a wardrobe here. I know this looks like a shoe wardrobe. Little shoe horn. I love a shoe horn in this part of the world, I must say. Everywhere seems to have them. This must be our bathroom. Right, so we've got a washing machine. That's kind of a dryer, but not really a dryer. It's like it airs it, but doesn't fully dry it. But I've got enough days here for my things to dry. Because I travel very light, guys. 3 weeks, backpack, 3 t-shirts, 3 underwear, 3 socks. Well, 6 socks, 3 pairs. And a couple of pairs of pants, and that's all I need. And I can travel perpetually with that, as long as I have somewhere to wash every few days. We're Gucci. We've got a little complimentary toothbrush. Sink. That looks like it's also like a shower head. How do we get in here? Push. Yes. Whoa, it's hot in here. By Jingo. Oh my goodness, why is it so hot? Whoa. That's uncomfortably hot in here. Right, there's an extractor on there. I see it, it's blowing in. It's blowing air in here rather than out. Bit odd. That is blasting hot air. That can't be right. Whoa. Okay. It's a bit strange. Ah. It's on dry mode. Right, so I can wash my clothes here, hang them up in here, and it'll dry them. It's I'm thinking, you honestly, you walk in there, a wall of heat just hit me. That's crazy. Right, so I can dry it in here. Is there any way to turn that off? Stop. Right, yes. It stopped. Oh, that was crazy. Keep that shut anyway, let it cool down for a bit. Whoa, I've got sweat on just from that. Right, let's keep moving along. Lights, where are the lights? Right, so we've got a little kitchen, little 1-ring burner. I'm not cooking here, we'll be eating out. I'm not here long enough. Sink, some cups. Must be the intercom, and this is the main room. So we've got a television and a microwave. Some tissue papers and... I'm not really sure what that is. An iron, I think that's an iron. Desk, which is where I'll be doing some editing for you folks. So that's nice. We've got a big sofa. It looks like a sofa/sofa bed. And someone's knocked the floor there with it. And we've got a single bed. No one's going to be joining me on this trip, unfortunately. What are you going to do? I prefer travelling by myself anyway. It's way less hassle. We've even got a balcony. Let's have a look. These things are always funny to open. Oh, that was easy enough. Then we've got a fly screen. I don't know how to open that. Not like that. And it's our AC wetting the floor. But yes, this is the balcony. Not bad. Right, let's get that shut because I don't want any more mosquitoes in because I've already been bit enough on this trip. They keep biting my arms. Right then guys, what's... Oh, that's a bit weird. It's a weird cover on the bed. Have you seen that? I've never seen anything like that before. Odd. Anyway, so that's the apartment tour, guys. What do you think? Would you pay £470 for 6 days, 5 nights in this place? We're in a pretty good area of Tokyo as well. We're not too far from anything. Honestly, I think it's okay. It is small, obviously, because, well, Japanese apartments are quite small, but for one person, this is big enough, especially considering I'm not living here. I wouldn't want to live, personally, somewhere this small. I much prefer the apartments I usually have in Poland. They're much bigger. Like, cooking a meal for multiple people on something like that. Not fun, one ring burner. No, thank you. But yeah, I think, guys, hope you've enjoyed that apartment tour. I actually do have other apartment tours on the channel. It's not something I typically do, but I do have one in Poznan where I rented a $1,500 apartment for the month. That was really quite nice. So yeah, if you've enjoyed that, stick around, check out other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.